Do you guys like Rico's new onesie? He hates it. He hates wearing clothes.
I want it all. Want a better life. I want the world to know my name. I want it all. Run it in the game. Boss, chick, flow, CEO. I want it all. Want a better life. I want the world to know my name. I want it all. Run it in the game. Boss, chick, flow, CEO. And a ring. See, I've been trying for so long.
Hi Vecinas, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, make sure you stop what you're doing and subscribe to my channel so that you can stay up to date with all of my videos. And if you're a regular here, hey girl, hey. Today I'm coming at you with a super easy holiday hair tutorial. It's an updo. It's literally going to take you like 5 minutes. It looks so elegant, so polished. This updo literally looks like you did the most, but you actually did the least. And you know, those are my favorite looks, okay? So if you want to know how to get this curly updo for the holidays, then keep on watching this video. To start my hair for this video, I used the new Cantu Holiday Kits. They're under $10. They're $9.88, and you can buy them at Walmart, and there's 3 of them. I actually did a Instagram hair tutorial featuring these kits, and I figured my girls on YouTube will love a more in-depth video, so I filmed it for YouTube as well. So this video is not sponsored, but the one on my Instagram was. Anyways, they have 3 kits. There's the winter care and repair holiday set, the winter curl and condition holiday set, and the winter curl and treat holiday set. This is a great value. This is just such a great gift for like a product junkie in your life. And I loved how it comes in like this cute little box and everything. And all I have to do is wrap it up and gift it to that special product junkie in your life. I washed my hair using the shampoo and conditioner from the Winter Curl and Condition Kit. After I washed my hair, I used the mask that came in the other kit that is called the Winter Curl and Treat Holiday Set. And I left the mask in my hair for 15 minutes and then I rinsed it out. For my curly cocktail, I used the leave-in conditioner from the Winter Care and Repair Kit, and I just distributed it evenly throughout my hair. I did get a haircut, and remember, I dyed my hair darker, so this is actually the first wash and go that I do on my new hair. And because you know I love a good curly cocktail, on top of the leave-in conditioner, I used the Curl Activator Cream from the Winter Curl and Treat Holiday Set. All these names are driving me crazy. So yes, I used the Curl Activator Cream that is found in that kit, and I applied the product all throughout my hair. I scrunch my hair, and then I take a microfiber towel to soak up the excess water, and then I diffuse my hair using a John Frieda blow dryer and diffuser attachment. I got a lot of questions on my blow dryer. It's just a regular blow dryer John Frieda with the diffuser attachment that comes with it. After diffusing my hair, these are the final results. Hair is looking beautiful, a lot of volume, a lot of definition, and a lot of shine and moisture. My hair did not feel dry whatsoever. And remember, I had my hair straight before this, and I want to attest that to masking. I always deep condition every time I wash my hair, but especially when you go from straight to curly, you want to like deep condition extra. I actually applied like 2 deep conditioners on this day because I really wanted to make sure that I was getting all the moisture in my hair. So obviously you can leave your hair like this. It looks poppin'. This wash and go is phenomenal. Or you can do this cute little holiday updo. For this curly girl glam updo, you're gonna need a headband that looks like this. I actually got this from Walmart. It's from the brand Scoonchy. I don't know how to pronounce it, but they have like a bunch of cute little festive decorative headbands that are perfect for the holidays. They have like all these pretty little rhinestones on them, and it's just like perfect for a special occasion or the holidays. And it comes with like that little pillow in the back so you can wrap your hair around it. So you're gonna place it on top of your head almost like a little halo, and then with bobby pins you're gonna start taking your hair and tucking it into the headband and securing it with bobby pins. this hairstyle is so easy to do, it's ridiculous, and it will also look super cute on a young girl for the holidays, like for family pictures. I mean, girl, 5 minutes. Like Rico's new onesie, he hates it. He hates wearing clothes, but I love putting clothes on him because he looks so cute, and he actually behaves when he has clothes on. I think because he's constricted and because he feels like he has a straight jacket on. So I'm gonna keep buying him clothes so he can keep wearing it. Look how cute. It's like a little gingerbread onesie. So cute. All right, Vecinas, so this is the final look. I love how glamorous and like elegant this looks. I mean, all you have to do is throw on the makeup, throw on the lash girl, add the glitter to the lids, put some fancy earrings on. These are from Forever 21. They were like $5. And this little clutch right here is from Target. It's rose gold, it's sequins, and bam, all of a sudden you look like you just ready for the holiday party. Can you stop interrupting me? I'm trying to slay. I'm trying to slay. So yes, you are ready for the holiday party, for the holiday festivities. I mean, I can literally go in this little off-the-shoulder sweater if I wanted to, or just change it to a very cute dress and I'm ready to go. Thank you guys. Stop. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.